Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to turn on and off Upwork notification. Now, the first thing you have to do, you must have downloaded the Upwork app from Google Play. So once you've done that, that's if you're using an Android phone. So once you've done that, now you want to turn on notifications in case you have some really important alerts. So what do? You press down on it until it shows this pop up. Then it can select add to home uninstall. Click on the information icon up here. Good. Then you see notifications allowed. So you open it so you can show notifications, you can see it. If you don't want notifications, you can switch it off, but you need to switch it on if you actually want notifications. You can allow the sound of vibration or deliver it quietly, it depends on you. I selected allow sound and vibration. Then at the bottom here, you click on notification categories. Now, do you want general notification or do you just want general? Now I've switched both on so that whether it's general notification or specific notifications, I can get them on my phone. And that is how to turn on and off notifications, Upwork notifications on Samsung. Now, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Till next time, bye bye.